Well, this is the last video in the series of how to design your wooden pendant, and in this video we're going to try and print this. So it begins here with our finished design. While you were away, I did a bit of editing on this and smoothed out this wave we saw earlier that was a little messed up by using the node editor and getting it smoothed out, and now I think I'm ready to print it. Well, at this moment we're going to take a chance to, and I'll use my select tool for this, select the whole thing and right click and group it. So just in case we move it, it's now a group. So Control Z on that, and Control Z on that. I lost it for a minute there, so let's see, put it back the way it was. Group. There we are. So before we print this, it's a good idea to select it, right click and copy it, and then make a few copies of it. We'll hit paste and we'll put a copy right here. Because if we need more than one, we have a giant piece of paper we're going to print, maybe we mess one up, we'll have some backups. So next thing is to select the whole thing, right click, copy, and we'll paste again. So now I'm getting two at a time, and if I wanted to, I could just right click after selecting, copy, and paste. And now I've got 8, and that should be plenty. If I mess up 8 times, well, I don't know what I would do. So there's 8 of them on the page. That should be loads. Oh, they're moving individually. Control Z. So I will pick the whole group and move the whole group. There we go. So next thing is get them to the printer, which sounds easy, right? File, print, but it is not easy. First thing you have to do is recognize this paper is set up in a metric format and our printer uses imperial paper. So we are going to fix that. We're going to go up to File. We're going to go to Document Properties. We are going to, in here, pick the paper type. And the paper type that we have is 8.5 by 11, US letter. And then we're going to push OK. Or actually, in this program, you just close it. That's all you do. Once you've made your change, you just close it. Close that too. So now I have the right paper type. So now what I'm going to do is go File, and you should have saved your project by now. If you haven't saved your project, you need to save it and save it somewhere. But now, and notice mine isn't saved, I tell you that, but I'm not going to keep this. So File, Save a Copy is what we want to do to get it to our printer, and save it as this file format, PDF. Call it something meaningful, like this is going to be jewelry, son,